is where you can view statistics for your latest rallies and compare. A new event is available, a manufacturer tryout, in which you can boost your reputation. The higher your reputation with the manufacturer, the greater your chances of receiving a contract from them. In a manufacturer tryout, you race with a loan car and must cover as much distance as possible in the allotted time.
Right 4, short, don't cut, into left 5, narrow, into right 5, short, and left 6. And kinks. And right 5 over crest, tightens 4, 50. Left 5, hard brake, 20. Hairpin left. Flat right, keep into left 4. Into right 5, keep into left 4, narrows into flat right. And flat left for right 5 into left 4, short. And right 5, 30. Keep middle, jump maybe into flat left, and left 6, 80. Keep middle over crest, 50. Left 4, keep into right 5 and left 4, short. Into right 4, small cut, 30. Hairpin left, don't cut, open, 50. Left 3, keep into hairpin right. For right 5, short. And right 4, tighten. And left 3, keep in, 150, narrow. Left 6 long over crest. For right 6 into left 6, tightens 5. And right 6, caution, brake. For chicane right and right 6. And flat left over crest, tightens after junction. Keep middle, jump over crest. And left 5, narrows, keep right and left 4, short, bail in.
'Great! You now know the basics of crew management. It's now up to you to progress in the championship and move up into higher categories. Flat left tightens, 5 short.
3 short and left 3, 30. Brake for square right, narrows over bridge, 30. Square left, 60. Flat left, 40. Right 6 long. Into flat left, brake for hairpin right, open. And left 5, open over crest, and left 4, medium. And left 4 short into right 3, tightens. Into kinks and right 5, brake for hairpin left. Right 6 short, keep into left 3, open over crest. And right 2 medium, open. Into left 2 short and right 5 over crest. Left 3 into right 3, don't cut. And left 3, tightens. And right 5, short into flat left. Into flat right 50, keep middle over crest. And caution, brake, flat left into right 1, open medium, 30. Left 5, short, bumpy into right 5, 40. Flat left, 50. Hard brake, right 5 into hairpin left, tightens, 30. Left 5, keep in, 50. Right 5, long, 30. Left 6, tightens 5, long. And right 5, tightens. Into right 3, long, into flat left, 40. Right 6, 50. Right 6 into left 4, short, narrows into flat right. And left 3, tightens into right 4, short, 60. Right 4, 80. Right 3, 50. Right 3, short, don't cut, 30. Left 6. And right 5, tightens 3, long, 40. Left 3, open 50, caution, hard brake. For left 1, open, don't cut, 30. And flat right into left 6, 50. Left 5, short over crest, 60. Right 3, tightens, house in. Into right 3, long, narrows, tightens, don't cut, 50. Left 5, brake, tightens 3, narrows, very long, don't cut, 40. Flat left into right 5, keep in. Into left 5, tightens into right 5. And right 5 into left 6, brake, tightens 3, short, 50. Right 4, don't cut. Left 4, tightens 3, long, 50. Right 5 into left 4, into tunnel, 30. Left 3, short into right 4 short. Right 3 short, don't cut. And left 5, 150. Caution, brake left 2, short. Into right 2, keep in into left 3. And left 6. Into left 5, 50. Right 3, don't cut long, tightens 2 medium. left 5, tightens into right 5. And right 6, brake. For left 2, long, don't cut. Into right 5, short and right 3. And flat right, 120, keep in. Right 4 short and right 4 short, brake. Into square left cut, 40. Right 3 long over bridge, tightens 50. And left 4, keep in, flat right, 70, bumpy. Right 3 long into left 4 short, 50. For finish. Caution left 5, don't cut, 40. Left 6 into right 4, short, 60. Left 4, don't cut, 150. Left 6 and right 3, keep in, long. Brake for square right, don't cut, 40. Flat right into left 5, keep in, 30. Right 4, keep in into left 4 short. Left 4 open, 150. Hard brake for left 1, tightens, don't cut, 40. Right 6, 90. Hairpin right, 40. Left 6 tightens, 4 short into right 3, don't cut, 40. Right 3 tightens, keep into left 3, don't cut. And right 3, don't cut. Left 5 into flat right, 60. Right 4 brake into left 3, open, don't cut. And left 5 into right 5. And left 3 short, 100. Right 4 short into left 6. And caution, left 2, 40. Left 6 short over crest for right 4 short, 30. Right 4 short, don't cut, 30. Right 3, don't cut, 30. Left 6 short. And left 3 open, don't cut, 30. Left 3 open, don't cut, 40. Left 3, 120. Left 4 short and right 5. Into left 5, tightens 3. And flat right for right 3, don't cut, open long, 90. Flat right, 60. Right 5 narrows into left 5 narrows, 50. Right 3 into left 6, 70. Left 4 into right 2, 100. Right 5, bumpy, hard brake. For hairpin left, don't cut, 30. Left 5 into right 3, don't cut, 90. left 3 into right 4, 60. Left 5 tightens 4 into right 5, 30. Left 3 tightens into right 5. And right 3 short into flat left, keep in, tightens. Into right 3, 40. Left 5, 30, bumpy. Left 3 into right 3. And bump into right 4, short over bump. And left 3, 30. Right 4, short, 30. Left 3 short, 40 for finish. Right 5, short into left 4, tightens. And right 3, tightens, don't cut. Into left 5, open. And left 4. Into right 1. And left 3, tightens. And right 2, tightens, 20. Square left open, 30. Left 4 short, 40. Left 3 short, flat right. Into left 5, keep in. Into right 3 short, don't cut. And left 4 into left 6 short, 80, bumpy. Hard brake for square right, 80. Left 3, keep in. Into right 5, tightens 3. And left 3, don't cut. Into right 1, open, don't cut. And left 3 short. Into right 5, 50. Caution, right 4, open into tunnel, 200. Left 4, 30. Right 4, open, don't cut. And left 4, tightens, don't cut. Into right 4, open. Into left 5, short. Right 3, tightens. Into caution, left 4, 120, keep in. Caution, bump for left 3, into right 6. And left 5, don't cut, 50. Left 3 short into right 3 short. And left 4 short, keep middle into kinks over 50. Left 5 narrows into kinks. Into right 2 narrows, open. Into left 4, open. And right 5, don't cut, 80. Into left 4, open and right 5, don't cut, 80. Left 5 and right 4. Into left 5, short brake into right 4, short over bridge into square left. Into left 3, medium, tightens. Into right 4, medium. Into left 4, short, 80. Left 4, short into flat right, tightens. And brake for square right, narrows, 40. Right 3 into left 3. Right 4 short into right 6, tightens, medium. And crest into left 3, 30, bumpy. Right 4 and flat left 60, into forest. Right 5, medium, tightens. And left 3 narrows off camber into right 5 over crest. Into left 3, tightens 2. At right 5 and right 4. Into left 3 and brake for square left, widens. And left 5 into right 3, medium, don't cut. Into left 3, open, medium, don't cut, 30. Right 3, short open over crest, into left 5, short, 40. Left 4 short and caution right 1, 30. Hairpin left open. And left 5 short into right 3, long open and tightens. Flat left tightens 4 into right 4, short 60. Right 4 tightens into left 4, open medium. And left 6 into right 6, 40. Left 5 into right 4, brake. For square left narrows into left 3, don't cut. Left 5 short, 50. And right 5 short, 30. Left 4 short small cut and right 3 short small cut, 30. Right 1 into flat left, 100. Caution, left 4 brake into left 1, 50. Hairpin right open into left 4, open. And left 5 into right 3, short. Into flat left and left 3, don't cut. Into flat right tightens 3, short small cut. And left 3, medium into right 3, short for finish. Flat right into left 3. Into right 5, tightens. And left 3, short open. And right 3. 5 short, brake for left 2, 30. Right 5, 30. Right 4, short into left 5. Hairpin left, don't cut, 50. Hairpin right, open, 80. Right 5, brake for hairpin left, 40. Left 3 into right 4, short, small cut, 40. Left 4 short, 30. Right 5, brake. For right 2 into square right, 30. Left 4, don't cut, and right 5, 40. Left 5 into right 4, don't cut, 40. Right 4, short and left 4, 50. Left 4 into right 4, open long, 60. Left 4, very long, 30. Right 4 open into hairpin right, 40. Hairpin left, 30. Hairpin left, 30. Right 3 short, 30. Right 5 and left 3 short, 40. Right 4, tightens 3, long, keep it. Into left 4, very long, tightens 3. And caution, right 5, hard brake for square right, narrows, open right, 3. And left 4, tightens and left 4. Into right 2, open. Into left 5, into right 3, short, don't cut. Into left 4 long, 100 into kinks. Left 4, 60. Right 3, keep in, 30. Into crest and left 5 short for left 3, 30. Left 3. Right 3 and left 3, 30. Square left widens, 40. Left 4. Into right 4 short, 100. Right 3 tightens into left 4. Keep in, long. Into right 3, long hard brake for square right, tightens over bridge. Into left 4, into right 4 short. And left 5. And right 5 short, 50. Left 4 tightens into right 3 tightens, don't cut. Into left 2 short, narrows. And flat left short into right 4 short, 100. Right 3 short into left 4 into right 4 short, 40. Right 4, 40, caution, bump into right 3, don't cut, 120. Right 3, bumpy, keep in, into left 2 short, don't cut, 30. Right 6 short, into left 3, tightens. And right 4, tightens. And left 4, open. And right 4, into tunnel, 200. Left 5, tighten short, 50. left 5, brake into right 2, short. Into caution, left 1, keep in. Into right 1, keep in, and left 3, tightens. Into right 2, short, 50. Square left, 60. Right 5, bumpy, 30. Right 4 over crest to left 3, short. And flat right tightens into flat left. Into right 3, short, 30. And right 3, short, 40. Caution, right 3 tightens into square right. And right 5, brake into left 1, short. Into right 3, keep in. Into left 1. Right 4 long, keep in, 30. Right 5, tightens into left 3, tightens. Into right 4, tightens, 200. For finish.
You are taking part in an historic event with a legendary car. Achieve the best time possible.